Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Jeep Cherokee Limited. Stock reference number 4803. This shape runs from the 11th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2012. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp, left-hand corner lamp, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy bumper cover, little scuff on the right-hand side. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door 2 small dents, right front door also 2 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console, a little bit of wear on the lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.